Fold-away dining storage solutions for small homes reclaim living space by merging table and seating into walls. Start with a strong wall anchor and lightweight materials so the unit is safe and easy to operate. To use a French cleat or full-length piano hinge for even load distribution, and anchor into studs or use heavy-duty toggle anchors specified for the wall type. For the table surface, choose a sandwich construction with a hardwood veneer over a lightweight core to reduce weight while keeping a durable finish that resists spills and scratches. For seating, pick hinged benches that nest flat against the wall with gas springs or friction stays to control motion, so seats do not drop suddenly and users can fold them with one hand. If you want maximum compactness, consider a reversible tabletop that flips or folds into a vertical slot inside a cabinet face so no loose pieces remain. Design the slot with low friction runners and a small lip to catch the edge so the table stays put. For stowable stools, use slots behind a removable panel or a shallow recessed compartment and mark each stool so people know orientation for quick retrieval and return. Finish with weatherproofing for kitchens near humidity using marine-grade varnish and use magnetic or positive latching hardware to keep panels closed during house movement. Common issues start with unstable mounting because people attach heavy units only to drywall. Fix that by locating studs and using through bolts or rated anchors, and test with progressive loads. Another frequent problem is excessive weight, making the unit hard to operate. Solve it by reducing top thickness, adding gas springs or friction hinges, and testing opening force so an average adult can lift it easily. A third issue is poor clearance, where the folded seating interferes with baseboards or trim. Remedy that by planning for a 3/4 inch setback or removable toe trim and install the bench on a shallow riser so it clears existing trim without cutting into it. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and explore installation ideas for fold-away dining storage solutions. Our site also helps contractors find work and join a discussion community where homeowners and pros share plans, tips, and real-world photos.